At Loop, we make cycling accessories with a difference. We've created another mount that's actually more discreet than our last. Yep, that's the mount, right there.
Damn!
Introducing the Loop Micro Mount. It blends into your bike when not in use, but is always ready when you need it, without having to worry about what phone case you have. It has a few mounting options. The original and easiest is the stem mount position. Just remove your stem bolt and cap and replace with the micro mount and bolt. It takes no more than 60 seconds. Or, if you want to take it between bikes or would rather use it in other positions, we've made a handy attachment for enable use with other mounting plates. We love to cycle, pretty much anywhere, but let's face it, sometimes you do need help with navigation. Your phone is always on you and ready to go, so why not have a phone mount that's the same? There are loads of benefits to cycling. It's by far the greenest way to travel, it keeps you fit, and it's always the most fun way to get anywhere. But we understand there's lots of different journeys, cyclists, and bikes. So we've done our best to cater for them all, with another simple phone mount that's even smaller than our last. The issue is still the same. We all use our phones for navigation, but without a mount, you have to try and check your phone on the way, which is basically dangerous. There are already phone mounts out there, but they are just, well, shit. They look like they're meant for a dashboard, not a bike.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
That's exactly why, back in 2020, we reimagined the bicycle phone mount from the ground up and began to make products that were completely different to anything already on the market. That's how Loop Mount and Loop Mount Twist came about. After 2 crowdfunding campaigns, selling over 40,000 mounts globally, we've made a lot of happy customers. And we've even been ripped off, badly. But for some bikes and people, Loop Mount just wasn't right. So it didn't take us long to get straight back to the drawing board. We're already known for our high quality products, and we also wanted to stand by our principles. The new mount had to be small, light, and yes, you guessed it, it had to look like it belonged on a bike.
I like it a lot.
The end result is the super strong, super light Loop Micro Mount. We succeeded in making it light, compact, easy to install, and yes, it looks like it's part of your bike. It may be micro, but don't be fooled. This mount is tough. The Loop Micro Mount is always ready to help you to get to where you're going, and then just quietly waits until the next time you need it.